Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahan Ahmed Beg, Head of Sharia Compliance Department, Mizan Bank. Today marks a defining moment in the history of Islamic finance in Pakistan. The launch of first ever short-term sovereign tradable sukuk is one of the major achievements in the Islamic financial sector of Pakistan. This initiative will further deepen the Islamic financial market and help achieve the transformation goal. This has been a long-awaited need of the Islamic finance industry in Pakistan. And by the grace of Allah, this landmark development have been achieved. With the launch of these short-term sukuk, now the Islamic financial institutions and the investors have an instrument to invest their excess liquidity in periods of less than 1 year. These sukuks have the potential to provide a viable and sustainable alternative to the conventional treasury bills. As you all know, that Pakistan is currently undergoing a major drive towards the conversion of the financial system. One of the major impediments towards the transformation drive was the unavailability of an alternative of conventional treasury bills. Now, the launch of these short-term sukuks addresses that very important gap. Mizan Bank is privileged to play a leading role as a joint financial advisor to the government of Pakistan towards the launch of these short-term sukuks. This shows the commitment and seriousness towards addressing the demands of the Islamic finance industry and ultimately paving the way for the complete transformation of the financial system. I would also like to thank the State Bank of Pakistan, Pakistan Stock Exchange, National Clearing Company of Pakistan, CDC, and the joint financial advisors who are involved towards the launch and structuring of this short-term sukuk. I would also like to thank the Sharia Board of Mizan Bank Limited and the Sharia Board of DIB Pakistan, Bank Islami Pakistan, and Bank Al Falah Islamic Pakistan as joint financial advisors who have played a critical role. Their guidance and continuous monitoring have made this landmark achievement possible. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept our efforts and to make this achievement beneficial for the Muslim Ummah and make it a means of Islamization of the financial sector in Pakistan. Thank you.